Welcome to Between the Lines Adventures. All right, picture this: you're standing on Table Mountain, the city of Cape Town spilling out beneath you, the ocean on both sides shimmering in the sunlight. It's like standing at the edge of the world, but somehow, right at its heart. Cape Town isn't just a city, it's a feeling. Stroll through Bo-Kaap, streets burst with rainbow colors, and the air is spiced with the scents of Malay cooking. Every corner tells a story of resilience, of celebration, of cultures woven together over centuries. Now, let's drive down to Cape Point. This is where the Atlantic and Indian Oceans meet, and you can literally feel the wind change as you stand at the tip of Africa. It's wild, it's raw, and it's unforgettable. Craving some downtime? Camps Bay is where you'll find it. Powdery beaches, turquoise waves, and sunsets that paint the sky in every shade of gold and pink. Grab a local craft beer, kick back, and soak it all in. But Cape Town isn't just about the views. Dive into bustling food markets. Sample biltong, fresh seafood, and sweet Coke sisters. As the sun sets, the city comes alive with music and laughter, from rooftop bars to underground jazz clubs. It's impossible not to fall in love here. Just look at this breathtaking view. Cape Town in all its glory. As night falls, the city sparkles with energy and life. The coastline, where waves crash against the rocks, is simply unforgettable. Cape Town is more than a destination, it's a wild, beautiful adventure waiting for you. So, when are you coming?